So folks, in the last episode I showed you how to remove a turbo on a V10 TDI Touareg. So what I want to do next is to show you how you can remove the exhaust manifolds. We removed this engine right here because the manifolds were leaking, so as part of the job I'll just make sure to remove the intake manifold, so in order to us to get it fixed. So the first step will be to remove this heat shield, which is being held by some torque bolts right there, which I'll go ahead and do so. Here on top we do have two T30s which come off fairly easy, just like that. We remove those ones, and that one, and then I do have a small one which I think it's a T25. Was correct, it is a T25. Let me just spray it a bit. Oh, as expected, it is broken. And then there is a 10mm bolt on the side. There you go. The 10mm just came out. Yeah, we still have another 10mm. Which is sitting right there. There you go. So we still have one 10mm there. Inside. And just like that, the heat shield comes off. As you can see, it's pretty full of exhaust fumes because these have been cracked and leaking. So now we have to work around on those 13mm. I'm just spraying a little bit of WD-40 to make sure that it's easier to remove, and I'm just spraying to not break any of the bolts right here. Those are quite sensitive. Okay, so with this, using a 13mm socket. Oh no, I think this is a 12. It is a 12. I was not expecting to see a 12 on this car. Okay, it is a 12. I'll just use the socket that I have here. thank God they're coming quite easily. I hope it will be like that for all of them. But I also sprayed WD-40 yesterday before I actually start to disassemble them. So maybe that's also helping. So now I need to do the same for the ones on the bottom. Which they're coming out quite. Oh, they're copper bolts. Maybe that's why it's not that easy to remove them. That difficult to move them. Yeah. There's one that I'll need to remove the polystyrene holes. Yeah, definitely I need to remove this polystyrene hose out of the way. Which is being held by two 10 mils. And I believe that it has a gasket inside that will take a test also to replace it. There you go. 2 10s and the 13 on top. Yeah, correct, the 13. Yeah, so I'm correct. There is a seal inside that we will need to replace, so that's good. Just leave the bolts there. Alright, now we go back to the manifold bolts. And this 12 is too it's too deep. I mean, it's too big to fit there and remove it. I'll just have to check for another one. There you go. There you go. So another 12 removed. So there are 2 brackets holding the back, as you can see. There you go, another one. I do have another one right here. Here we go. The spacer removed. Yep, I just have all of them on the bottom removed. So now we're just remaining the ones on top. Just like that. And just like that, we have all the bolts removed, all the brackets. So with this, we managed to remove, and I can already see the crack on this exhaust manifold, which I'll show you shortly. Yep, and just like that, we just removed the exhaust manifolds. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna leave some bolts here to hold the gasket. I'll just insert all of them to make sure that I don't lose anything. Alright, so we just got the exhaust manifold, and you guys can see they are just cracked over there, and also from this side. I think I also saw the other side that was cracked, which is right here on the back, as you may be seeing there. So need to get those welded and repaired. Thankfully this flex pipe, it's still okay, so I'm glad for that. And then folks, I did the same on the other side. As you guys are seeing over there, the exhaust manifold from that side has been removed also. It also has a crack right there, as you guys are seeing. Luckily this one also still intact on this side. There were some that were starting to appear. Yeah, right here on this side. Yeah, but otherwise I think on this exhaust manifolds, those were the cracks that we had. So a few days later, I cleaned up with the degreaser in order to do a proper assessment of the exhaust manifolds, and as you guys can see right there, it was more clear that we had more cracks, and you can see down below it unveiled some other cracks that the manifold had. You can see on both sides. On the lower side we did had some cracks, and I scraped better the ones that we had and made sure to clean it as much as possible as I could to unveil better those cracks. So you can see that it happened the same on the other side. So for now, that's it folks. I hope you guys enjoyed. We will get them fixed and I'll update you soon. Cheers. Subscribe.